If you want to get live translator for conversations on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case we need to simply download an app that allows us to use this feature, because unfortunately there is no built-in feature on this phone. This built-in feature, of course. So in this case, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and we can use the search option at the bottom of the screen, and then we can search, for example, for the Google Translate app, or just type Translate in order to find a bunch of different apps. But in this case, I'm just gonna use the Google Translate over here. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to use it in order to use the app for conversations, for real-life conversations. So we're gonna open it. And there we go. If you open it for the first time, immediately you get this pop-up that we can try this new conversation experience. And this is what we want to use. Of course, we need to grant all the necessary permissions to be able to use it. Now, the microphone is automatically enabled, so whenever you say out loud, it is converted into a text, and then your speech is translated into the selected language. You can, of course, tap on this icon that we have at the bottom, which turns into a microphone. So you can pause the microphone, and you can, of course, adjust languages. So you can choose your language and the language of the other person that you're trying to communicate with. You can also tap on the star that we have in the middle between languages in order to split the microphone into two of them. So if the app has trouble with detecting which language is yours, for example, or something like that, then of course you can just separate it to make sure that there is no error with that. Now, besides that, we also have the playback option, so you can tap on the speaker over here in order to play back the translation. Of course, in my case, volume is off, so it doesn't play. You can also tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner to adjust the text size, and you can also enable automatic playback, so whenever you say something and the app translates your speech, then it's going to automatically play and read the translation for that other person, and then when they do the same thing, they say something in their language, then their speech is going to be translated into your language and it's going to play back as well. And also we have this face-to-face view, which might be quite useful to use, of course, in certain situations. If this is just more convenient to use, then of course you can just enable it quite easily and you can use that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.